Hi, I'm Laura Castricone and I'm a respiratory therapist and I work for HPFY. And today I wanted to give you a little bit of information about the proper amount of hours you should be sleeping based on your age. So, for infants, anywhere between 12 and 15 hours is the normal amount of sleep for a baby that's a newborn baby. Our toddlers need to sleep between 11 and 14 hours a day. Preschoolers, anywhere between 10 and 13 hours per day. School-age children, between 9 and 11 hours per day. All these hours also include naps. Your teens, between 9 and 10 hours a day, and adults, greater than 7. Usually 8 hours is the sweet spot for most adults. So keep in mind there are parameters between which we should be sleeping. And if your children, especially your teens and your young ones, aren't getting enough sleep, you should investigate and see how you can enhance their sleep every night so they can get a little bit more sleep and be fresh in the morning.